Aloha, this is Howie Jai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change RAM to this computer. Let me show you the model number. This is Toshiba, and the model number you can see here, Toshiba Satellite P75 A7200. In this case, backside in this model we have only one screw here, nothing else, all these parts. So it will come out after releasing only one screw. So let's take this off. So in this case we don't have any RAM here. It has some RAM built in somewhere here. So you can add additional RAM to increase the memory. You have two ports, so you can put a lot of RAMs. Let me bring my RAM box. You can see sets of lot of RAMs. You can see a notch sort of thing. This part of the RAM and this should go together here. And when you inject a RAM, it should make some clicking noise as this. In this, it should go inside. At the moment, I don't have any RAM fits in this computer. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.